Some people say there's an ongoing stray dog problem in Macon-Bibb. We've reported on packs of loose dogs running around in several locations. On Cherry Avenue and Brentwood Avenue, one woman said her 15-year-old son was walking to his bus stop when a Rottweiler bit him. And we reported on a pack of dogs living on Lion Street right off Houston Avenue in Macon. And while people are calling on the county animal control to do something, Bibb's Animal Services manager says it is physically impossible to handle the number of stray or wild dogs roaming the streets right now. As we continue our coverage, Maggie Fitzgerald shares how Macon-Bibb leaders are weighing in on the issue and how the county could support animal control services.
Neighbors here in Kings Park say that stray dogs have been roaming the area for years. While Macon-Bibb leaders say that this could be an accountability issue within the community, others say that animal control needs more support. Commissioners say when they receive complaints about animal crimes, public safety, and stray animals, they typically pass them along to the Sheriff's Office Animal Services Department. But county leaders say some people in their districts are experiencing tremendous issues.
Certainly, we don't want someone to be in fear of their safety walking around a neighborhood and having dangerous animals out there.
Mayor Lester Miller sat down with senior civic journalism fellow Liz Fabian to address these ongoing reports as part of our Central Georgia Focus series. He said it would be a tough decision to expand staffing or facilities within animal services.
You can't just keep building a bigger facility. At some point in time, it's diminishing returns, but really people need to step up to the plate and do what the law requires and have your pet spayed or neutered. I think that's the most important thing.
In East Macon, Commissioner-elect Stanley Stewart says people have raised concerns about stray dogs in Kings Park. He said the issue was brought up in a neighborhood meeting a few months ago. Neighbors say some strays are fairly calm, but others can be aggressive.
I mentioned to them the fact that we should find more patrols, but in order to do that, everybody is short-staffed. And so you would have to increase that department. A bigger facility, more manpower, more people power may be something to look into.
And the Bibb County Sheriff's Office Animal Services told us they receive about 30 to 60 calls daily. Mayor Lester Miller says the county is looking into what other cities do to find a solution to this problem. In Macon, Maggie Fitzgerald, 13 WMEZ News.
SAFE, a local nonprofit that helps save animals from euthanasia, has neutered and spayed over 1,200 dogs so far this year. Their location on Riverside Drive is actively accepting appointments for both cats and dogs.
It's physically impossible, and you can't go pick up every single animal on the street. Even if you had 10 more shelters and you were able to staff all of those shelters, you're still not going to solve the problem. You're just not.
Bibb's Animal Services manager Sonia Adams says it's a nationwide problem. Experts say the real problem is there's an affordability crisis where pet owners can no longer afford their dogs. Vet care costs jumped nearly 8% within the last year, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. And when stray pet numbers soar, euthanasia rates do too. A New York veterinary clinic is trying to combat that by giving affordable pet care and performing 7,500 spay-neuter operations a year. They say investing in spay-neuter efforts can prevent overcrowding.